Welcome to the FAW Women's Cup draw. It's round one draw today, and we'll start with the North Wales coast. I'm delighted to welcome the FAW President Trevor Lloyd-Hughes, the FAW Vice President Mr David Allen Jones, and Trish Turner from the FAW Council. Number 1 Carnarvon Town ladies, 2 Denbigh Town, 3 Kimmel Bay ladies, 4 Llandudno ladies, 5 Prestatyn Town, and 6 are Rhyl and Prestatyn. Trevor will draw the home teams and Trish the away teams.
Ian, 1.
Revine, number 1 Carnarvon Town.
2.
Against Denbigh Town.
3.
Kimmel Bay ladies
5.
versus Prestatyn Town.
6.
Number 6 is Rhyl and Prestatyn
4.
versus number 4 Llandudno ladies.